Hey you, welcome to the first session on what we called Oops, Did You Just Micro Learn? So what is it that you're going to learn today? Let me teach you a small little groove called the Makaru. And where are we going to play this groove? We're going to play this on a table or any utensil or even on your thighs. You can use it as a form of body jamming as well, right? It goes. So since we want a much more warmer tone, I'm going to aim right at the center of the table. When I do that, I get a much more warm tone. If I hit it at the edge, right here, with my fingers slightly apart instead of together, I get a much more sharper tone. So this is the warmer tone, this is the sharper tone. Warmer tone, sharper tone. So now, if you were to sing it musically, it's called Follow the Leader. This is how it would sound. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader, leader, leader. So that's how the whole groove goes. Why am I talking about this specific phrase? Because there's a lot of musical terms that you can learn from this specific phrase that we just did. So this particular phrase, we played it over a certain period of time. This whole time limit that we just played under is what is called a bar. It's a measure of time. What we just played is called a rhythm. Why? Because it's a certain group of notations or a certain group of beats that was played over and over again. Great. So there you go. You learned a new rhythm called the Makaru. You learned what a phrase means in musician language. You learned again what a bar means in musician language.
Hi, I thought I'll do a quick micro-learning session on mental math. I know that math is something that a lot of us struggle with. So here is the first one. Some of you may know this. The rule is 72. So 72 in math is a very, very useful number to remember because 72 typically can be used to calculate investment returns, the rate of doubling of population, so on and so forth. So how does this work? So the simple formula to remember is that the years it takes to double anything is 72 divided by the rate of growth. For example, let's say that you invest in something which gives you 6% of return, say like a mutual fund or a fixed deposit. Your money will take 72 divided by 6 years to double. So that's 12 years. You could also use this for things like tuition fees and newspaper bills and mobile phone bills and so on and so forth. The second one is a very easy percentage rule. So I call this the reversibility of percentages. X% of Y is equal to Y% of X. How much is 56% of 25? The inverse also is true, which means that 56% of 25 is 25% of 56. That's actually easier to calculate because 25% is just one fourth. So let's say we need to calculate 77% of 33, right? So remember the inverse, 77% of 33 is the same as 33% of 77. 33% is approximately 1/3. So if you remember that X% of Y equal to Y% of X, you can actually calculate a lot of percentage calculations without ever using a calculator, Excel, or any such thing. Hope that was useful. Thanks.
Hi friends, so it's my turn to attempt Did You Just Micro Learn Today challenge. I really wish I were in my kitchen filming this video because I wanted to make a video on something related to cooking. The best part about this dish that I'm going to tell you is that it does not require a lot of ingredients for that matter. So let's begin. I'll tell you what the requirements are. You need eggs, you need a microwave safe bowl, you of course need a microwave, you need salt, pepper, and 2 drops of oil. To tell you, it just takes about 3 minutes to prepare. What you need to do in this recipe is that you need to take your microwave safe bowl and brush the oil inside it, and then you break the eggs into the bowl. Put some salt on it and pepper and put it in the microwave. That is about it. To just micro it for 2 minutes exactly, not more than that, not less than that. And what comes out is your dish. It's as simple but very healthy and very filling. And let me show you how it looks. It looks something like this. I hope this will be useful for you guys and I really hope you will like it.